The government's short-term securities continued to attract strong investor interest last week, enabling the Treasury to raise 1.51 billion Ghana cedis, more than its target at the latest auction. Data from the Bank of Ghana shows that investors submitted 9.10 billion Ghana cedis in bids across the 91-day, 182-day and 364-day Treasury bills. Out of this amount, 9.08 billion Ghana cedis was accepted. Here's more.
This resulted in excess demand of 29.41%, marking the 7th consecutive auction in which demand has exceeded the government's target. Market analysts attribute the sustained appetite largely to improved liquidity conditions in the financial system, driven mainly by institutional investors. The 91-day T-bill remained the most attractive instrument, drawing bids worth 6.54 billion Ghana cedis, almost all of which was accepted. The 182-day bill recorded bids of 1.06 billion Ghana cedis, with 1.05 billion Ghana cedis taken up, while the 364-day bill attracted 1.5 billion Ghana cedis, of which 1.4 was accepted. Yields rose across most maturities, reflecting the strong demand environment. The 91-day bill increased by 6 basis points to 11.17% from 11.11%. The 182-day bill also rose by 6 basis points to 12.56%. However, the 364-day bill backed the trend, easing marginally by 3 basis points to 12.90% from 12.93%. Market analysts attribute this slight decline to pricing dynamics between investors and the Treasury. They explain that while some investors are submitting bids above government's preferred yield levels in an attempt to secure higher compensation, the Treasury, on the other hand, appears to be rejecting these bids in order to manage borrowing costs. Looking ahead, the Treasury is targeting 7.14 billion Ghana cedis in its next auction across the 3 short-term instruments.